the heart of your business is people. For more than 20 years, Central Innovation Recruitment have been working to assist clients find the right talent. With over 10,000 active clients, we've proven ourselves as Australia and New Zealand's recruiter of choice for the manufacturing and architectural markets. Don't get stuck with a mountain of resumes, unqualified candidates, and a slow turnaround. Let us assist you in finding the best candidate for your position. All our candidates are submitted to technical skill assessments. These assessments are designed to test a candidate's technical CAD skills and have been developed by our experts so that you can ensure you are only seeing the best of the best. These assessments are designed to test a candidate's technical CAD skills and have been developed by our experts so that you can ensure you are only seeing the best of the best. Our skilled team of technical recruiters are experts in finding both contract and permanent staff. We pride ourselves on providing candidates that are site-ready with all necessary qualifications and insurances. 80% of our candidates are retained by our clients for more than 2 years, so you can rest assured that you will receive professionals that are the right fit for your business. To find out more and how we can help you, call us on 1300 423 372.